Have you ever found yourself pausing at the bottom of the stairs, doing a quick mental calculation of the cost? The cost in pain, in stiffness, that each step will take. Or maybe it's that moment in the morning when you swing your legs out of bed, and for a few seconds, you have to wait for the aches to subside before you can truly start your day. For years, we've been told this is our new normal, a smaller life, with smaller movements, a life where we quietly give up the things we love, the gardening, the long walks, the dancing. Today we say, no more. This isn't about aging. This is about being starved of a vital material, collagen. And today, we are going to learn how to feed our bodies again. We are going on a journey to find 8 of nature's most powerful joint healers, starting with one that's been hiding in your kitchen all along, a victim of bad advice for decades. Stay with me, because the final food on this list is so potent, it has been shown in clinical settings to help regenerate the very cushion in your joints. This is not about managing pain. This is about rebuilding your life. Number 8. Egg yolks. For almost 40 years, we were told a lie about this simple, perfect food. We were told the golden center, the yolk, was the enemy, and so we threw it away. What we didn't know was that we were throwing away the very thing our joints were crying out for. Think of the yolk as the foreman of your body's construction crew. It contains sulfur, biotin, and vitamin D, the essential managers that tell your body how to take protein and weave it into strong, flexible cartilage. Without the foreman, the workers just stand around, confused. It's the difference between groaning when you get out of your favorite chair and simply getting up. So please, stop separating your eggs. That golden yolk isn't just food. It's the command center for your body's own healing project. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. If the egg yolk is the foreman, then pumpkin seeds are the nuts and bolts of the operation. They are packed with the essential minerals, zinc, magnesium, and manganese, that physically hold your joint structure together. They tighten up ligaments that have become loose, giving you back that feeling of stability. It's the difference between feeling wobbly and unsure on your feet and feeling planted, solid, and secure. A small handful a day is all it takes to start reinforcing your body's foundation from the inside out. Number 6. Canned salmon with bones. Imagine your joint is a house on fire with inflammation. Canned salmon with its soft, edible bones is a 2-part rescue mission. First, the omega-3 fats from the fish act as the firefighters, rushing in to calm the blaze and reduce the painful swelling. Then, once the fire is out, the collagen from the soft bones comes in as the repair crew, rebuilding the damaged structure. Most people throw the bones away, not realizing they're discarding the most valuable part of the healing process. Don't make that mistake. Number 5. Chicken skin. Think about fixing an old classic car. You don't want a cheap generic part. You want the original manufacturer's part that fits perfectly. That's chicken skin for your joints. It is loaded with type 1 collagen, the exact same kind your body is made of. When you eat it, you are giving your body the perfect, original spare part it needs to patch up worn-out ligaments and cartilage. That crispy skin on a roasted chicken isn't an indulgence. It's a targeted therapeutic dose of exactly what you've been missing. Host pauses, looks directly and warmly at the camera. If this mission to reclaim your freedom feels right to you, if you believe that your best days are not behind you, then do me a small favor. Take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Every time you do, it tells us that this message of hope and healing matters. Now, let's get back to it. Number 4. Gelatin. If your joints need urgent help, gelatin is the express delivery service. It's pure, cooked collagen that has been broken down so your body can absorb it almost instantly, bypassing many digestive issues. It goes straight to work, strengthening the connective tissues in your legs and hips. Think of the relief that comes from a warm cup of broth or tea mixed with a spoonful of gelatin. It's one of the fastest ways to bring back that feeling of smooth, fluid movement that pain has stolen from you. Number 3. Sardines, with skin and bones. If canned salmon is the fire department, then whole sardines are the special forces. They are a small, elite unit packed with an incredible concentration of power. The combination of anti-inflammatory omega-3s, collagen-rich bones, and elastin-rich skin makes them one of nature's most perfect joint-healing foods. They don't just soothe, they rebuild. For anyone with fragile-feeling knees or that unsteady sensation when walking, these tiny fish deliver a powerful punch of stability and protection. Number 2. Bone broth. This isn't just soup. This is a warm, liquid soak for your joints, from the inside. When you sip a cup of real, slow simmered bone broth, you can almost feel it seeping into the spaces that ache. It hydrates, lubricates, and provides a deep, cellular comfort. For joints that feel dry, creaky, and stiff, bone broth is like giving them the long, soothing bath they've been desperate for. It's the ultimate comfort food that doubles as powerful medicine. Number 1. Beef tendons. We've arrived at the final step. This isn't just a repair job. This is a full structural rebuild. Beef tendons are not just rich in collagen. They are made of pure, concentrated collagen. When slow cooked, they transform into a substance that your body can use to perform deep, architectural repairs. It's for the joints that feel like they are grinding, bone on bone. Eating tendons helps your body rebuild the very blueprint of your joint, restoring the cushion, strengthening the framework, and bringing back the smooth, gliding motion you thought was lost forever. It is, without a doubt, nature's most powerful structural repair kit. So there you have it. The foreman, the nuts and bolts, the firefighters, and the master architects. A complete toolkit to help you rebuild your life. Your body wants to heal. Your job is to give it the right materials. A life with more freedom, more movement, and less pain is not a distant memory. It is a future waiting for you to claim it. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these powerful foods will you reclaim for your kitchen first? Share your answer in the comments below. Your journey is an inspiration to us all. Thank you for watching. Walk tall, stay strong, and start rebuilding today.